Alright guys, Richie here with RK Rot Rods. We're with Mark Keyser and Doug Cataline. Look Doug up on OKC Mopars on YouTube. We're going to tear into this 69 Barracuda again today and put an ALTER-K-TION front end under it, and then the next process will be getting the Hemi headers all in and then the transmission in. That'll probably be a couple of episodes away. But stay tuned with us today and we'll get this all knocked out. Let's do it.
Alright.
And I watched 2 videos.
Oh, that counts.
Did ya?
That's where it's at right there. So, they recommend Loctite on anything?
Anti-seize.
Anti-seize on all aluminum and steel, okay. Okay, cool. I've never installed a rack before, but it looks like straight up, bolted in. Okay. First step's organize the sub-assemblies. It looks like they've partially assembled the shocks with the lock nut deals for the springs on it, and the springs, looks like. Slide the lock ring on and the screw in all the way down to the bottom, then do the same with the adjuster and raise shoulder facing up. Okay, so where are your shocks at? That's it?
Yep.
Alright, let's do it.
You get one, I'll get one.
And you know, my job as a flight engineer was just this, man. I would read directions. Airplanes being flown by the pilot when we're going to be burning because we're losing oil or burning engine. Like, all right, let's do the engine fire failure checklist. Dude, no shit.
Really?
And that's what you train for, dude, is the worst case scenario. So we get in there, 99 times out of 10, it operates like a champ. But occasionally you lose some oil, or maybe you have an engine fire.
And this is what you need the anti-seize for?
Beautiful. You put a little on it. Probably
Yeah.
some maybe?
No, I think you do these.
Yeah,
Keep those really.
Yeah, these are fucking beautiful, man. We'll do one at a time so we don't get extra parts. Or we can do it together. How about that?
One guy's in the videos, they put the anti-seize on this jazz too.
Yeah,
That's what
he was saying, yeah.
Got it.
You know, because it's going to collect dust.
Yeah.
So, you don't know how
And
far
being
it is.
adjustable too.
Yeah.
Alright, so it looks like, so there's a strut, and that's the top with the valves. So this dude, this goes on the bottom. This guy goes on top. Where his there? Oh, you want?
Oh, okay.
Actually, here, Mark. Let me see yours. You want to assemble it together, or you want to?
Yeah.
That's fine. See what's out of it. Your anti-seize is where?
Right here.
Honeymoon grease.
You could probably
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
put it on that, and then as it goes up, it'll spread it. You gotta have these.
I told Mark I'm gonna borrow his spanner wrench. I didn't get one with mine. I'm like, I need it adjusted once in a while.
Yeah.
Just for fun.
I don't know how they size those. Sorry, Mark, I'm just on your track.
No, that's fine.
I'm just gonna dab it just a little bit because it goes so far and you never get on your fingers. That one is gonna go out first. You're just cranking on it. Close.
You got big hands.
Yeah. I mean, that's almost exact, man.
Really?
Look at that.
How funny.
Dude, I'm not touching it.
Wasn't even on purpose.
Well done, son. Well done.
Thank you. I could judge an inch and a half pretty well.
No, that's the lock ring, so we just spin it all the way down.
Yeah.
Then.
Okay. Yeah.
That's good. We'll put a little honeymoon grease on those too. I'm just gonna take everything out. It's not gonna happen like this Christmas. It is Christmas coming up, isn't it?
Pretty close.
Those are the bolts? What the hell are those things?
Did you bring a big drill?
Yeah, no kidding. I did bring a step bit, so just in case. Yeah.
Everybody needs one of them.
Or 10. Yeah.
What size do you need? What size do you want?
Yeah. Yeah, there's your backing plates.
Oh, there they are. Yeah, sweet.
So that goes for these guys. They mentioned the important thing about drilling them is making sure they're square.
Oh yeah.
Otherwise they won't.
Yeah.
Surprised it doesn't have a sleeve. Drill it larger and then a sleeve in the middle. I wouldn't.
Keep from crushing your frame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all good though. They designed this, and they need to design it. Let's have a little test fit. Oh yeah, got to come right through there.
Yeah.
Boom.
Well, you can drill it from both sides with that plate, right? Does the plate lay against the bottom?
No.
Oh,
no,
okay.
it's kind of gonna be loose, so I have no problem drilling straight. Once you get in there, see?
Yeah.
This step is really small. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, so we're good. I'll leave this plate up here. What about honeymoon grease? Grab it.
Yeah, let the owner make the holes.
Absolutely. We'll do the bigger ones. You do the first baby
That's right.
one.
Oh, no, hey guys, I changed my mind.
I'm just going to go home.
What are you doing this
I'm just
weekend?
leaving. I'm just going home.
No, after we get it installed.
No, I'm just going home. Yeah. I'm just going to smile. Where are you going? I'm just going to smile.
Centered. I see daylight. Where's the reflection on your forehead? I can say that because we're both bald.
Once you have bald, you never go back.
That's right. this revision right? I can't see nothing.
That was just a guess. It made me look cool.
Is this
but
a blind dog?
that was a guess.
Yeah. I got one big tall boy in me. I haven't even dragged the whole thing yet, and I'm blinded.
He was hiding them from you.
Yeah.
Watch, I'll put these under a napkin and nobody ever find it.
This is like some bad.
Richie, you tighten this,
there
brother?
No.
No.
I wanted you to do the set screw first.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't tighten any of them yet.
I'm feeling a little punchy.
Punchy. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, got bushings too. Badass.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, Ziploc bag. Wow. Let's cut it open.
Don't cut it. We'll use it later.
Yeah. Oh, those are badass. So shiny. I'm surprised they don't have Zerk fittings on them. I guess those are the. I feel that's kind of. It's not as smooth as a.
It only moves up and down for the most part. So.
Yeah. Okay, so what are you thinking? Oh, it goes inside.
Yeah, those are side to side probably.
Yeah.
There's 8 of them, right?
Yeah. Loctite on these now. Definitely some of that.
No, they gotta be adjustable.
Got to be some of that stuff. Where's that?
Oh, anti-seize, yeah.
It's like snug. Some silver shit on your teeth. Got silver teeth. Silver caps.
I still have it on my hands.
There we go.
My hands.
I'm telling you, I have a big jug of it. You just brush.
Yeah.
Gets everywhere. Pretty screwed.
I'm glad I got the silver stuff because there's bronzy colored stuff too. It would have really shown up on those shots.
It's all about the look.
Well, it is. That's why they made silver.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So the purpose of anti-seize is what its name is. Anti-seize.
Do not seize.
Mm-hmm. No sneezing or sneezing. Mm-hmm. Now we can navigate on and get all happy.
Latin for do not gnarl.
Yeah.
Or garl.
Knurling.
Knurled.
Knurled. Yeah, that'll work. A little bit. It goes a long ways. Good, Mark?
Yeah.
You want to tighten the side nuts or bolts here? That's these dudes, I think. I think that's 9/16 on both those.
Yeah.
I would put nothing on these. I don't need these because they're poly.
They'll squeak if you don't.
If you don't lube them? Really?
Yeah, they'll squeak real bad.
All right. Let's get some. You got some radiator grease, Mark? Like just a
Or even a
axle?
little tiny bit of oil or something.
I got some 3-1 oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll squeak like crazy if you don't.
I do have some, I think I've got some grease.
Just anything, a little something.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful.
There's the lowers.
They're right there. Oh, these are lowers. I'm sorry, yeah.
Gotta figure out which is right and which is left because
Well, this is gonna be the forward. I think that's gonna be the driver's side. I don't know.
that's probably your 20 bar stuff.
Yeah. So they're squeak, huh?
Yeah, oh yeah, big time. If they're poly.
A little 3-1. Why is it 3-1? Why not 4-1?
I don't know.
Why not 4-1?
They put something extra in there. I always use 2-to-1, but
2-1 ratio.
yeah, always.
Oh yeah.
That's all I know. So those lowers, I would say that's your front. There's that stuff. That's what I was thinking. Sway bar, I would guess. That one has sway bar on it.
Thunderstruck.
Got some grease here.
This is perfect, man. This oil.
Is it working?
3-1 oil.
What's your step? I'm kind of
This is plastic. And poly plastic.
Okay.
3-1 oil is good. Okay, now I'll go in the. These are your lower.
Do these need to be wire wheeled off?
No, I would grease those dudes. See where they're gonna go in the bottom hole. These will go up there. We can put a little bit of here. Just because this can be on metal there. set up our
These are
take
the
the figure
shocks.
and just shock. Just throw it in there.
Yep.
So you think this is a? I think it's gonna be the driver's side, but I don't know.
That's your bottom though. That's your lower.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that'll be the driver's side. Passenger side.
Passenger side, I believe.
I
So.
got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take a look, but I think that's probably the mount goes forward. Oh, I got Zerk sitting. Yeah.
Oh, there's a Zerk fitting for this thing too.
Nice.
Dude, on the side. That's badass engineering right there.
Yeah, dude.
Everything has a Zerk fitting.
And then grease it out.
Right. Is that where we're supposed to be? It looks like there might be a spacer.
Oh.
Oh, no, maybe not.
Wait, there's a drill hole here. I wonder if that locks it in.
It does.
That's
Yeah.
a bolt. Okay.
Yeah.
Not a Zerk fitting.
Oh,
My bad.
shit, sorry.
Tripping
Sorry.
hazard.
My bad. I'm trying to get organized here.
Richie's like, here, trip over this jack. Put that in. Don't fall over that jack.
Who put the jack in the...
Elephant receptacle.
Is that an LA block?
Well, sorta. It came from LA-ish. Bob Mazzolini in the LA area, or
Riverside.
Oh, right.
Powder coating is the devil. Damn. Get in there.
What is the chances of that season up?
Apparently, today's the day.
Gosh almighty.
You need another 916.
There you go. Put my eye in it.
It shoots out the other side.
Okay, real quick, Richie. This is gonna be a tricky part. That dude, does it have to go in the machine spot?
It's right there.
Oh, you can see it?
Oh, yeah, right
The
there.
machine spot, you see it? Is it luck that you got it like that? Or did you test it? I did. You're right on the money.
totally did
Look
that.
at where mine is. Mine's to the inside. Totally off.
thank Doug, actually.
Thanks, Doug.
What's that?
For the brew.
For the cold beer.
Yeah, keep it hydrated.
All the way out. Nope, the other out. All the way out to the rod end.
Oh, got it.
Put your finger in bit, that'd be close.
Dude, so it's gonna be a mother bear. One bolt probably gonna go in from the inside out. What do you think?
No.
That way?
I don't know.
I mean,
Well, you have no adjustment on it anymore.
no, but let's just do this one to start with. It's gonna suck.
Well, you know, what do you think, Mark? Bolt in or out? That
I'm just thinking
direction?
gravity. At least it'll fall. The nut will fall off, and it'll still be in there.
I mean, from the factory, they went from the inside out.
I know.
You got to put your spacer on.
I know.
All right. Got it. I got it. I got both.
Oh, okay. This is gonna go this way or this way? Shit.
The
gonna be
way.
Like that?
I think they cup over. No, I think they go
Like
the other way.
that.
Cup
All right.
the
Then I'd pull that out then.
ball, I think.
You know what? Let's look at the directions for a second.
Oh, I
Is
hate
there any
directions.
pictures for that shit?
We're gonna fail and go back to direction.
Hold on, let me see. That makes sense.
Here, put a little of this in there. You go. Two for you, two for me. Just put it on the old honeymoon greaser. Boom. Feels guitars and shit. He's doing like Super Mike's got a guitar for his car. Cool. Both cars, the blue and the green. They made it for him.
You
This
got
is
the nuts and bolts for
I
that.
don't have shit for that. I think maybe this is it, but
Yeah, that's it.
do not put the washer under the nut. It said. Hold on. It said use washer on each side of the rack bushings. Do not put washer behind the nut.
Don't know what that means. Let's see.
Don't know what that means.
I don't.
Do you want some honeymoon grease on the spacer? Little
Wasn't hurt.
for maximum penetration.
Go through there.
Snug as a buck in a rug.
That's right.
So don't put. So it's gonna be. What the hell?
I don't know.
Do not put washer behind nuts.
Get those bolts.
Yeah, I'm coming with one right now.
Inbound with the bolt.
Oh shit! What the hell? It's definitely gonna go this way.
Yeah, definitely.
There's it. And don't put a washer under the nut. Oh, I see. To pull it back out. It go out after it.
Gotcha.
I guess.
Good enough.
There's one.
Get the other one. Yeah.
You just empty the washer. Hang on.
Okay.
Oh, those are easy.
Old man back coming out here. We've got penetration. It's in.
In there like swimwear. gravity check.
And they're out of the gates.
You got both.
Two of my finest.
It seems like it's still a long bolt.
It is long.
Is that right?
But it's gotta have that thick. Yeah, and that's gotta go on that bolt just right.
Yeah, no, it's
I am wearing underwear.
Mark says he's freeballing.
Well, that'll make the video.
Are we recording?
Yeah, let's get over. Oh, get over here. Get in here. We gotta get closer.
Yeah,
Get act like.
poked in the back by his spindle. The hell?
All right, we made it. We're done. We full day of
That.
getting this.
That right there.
in.
He's taking everybody look at it.
When you get 4 bolts confused and we thought we were out of bolts, we had to adapt and overcome.
Oh, who's
Or-
this? You got a scene blower.
You were
here.
literally no help
Blowing
today.
You got
Scene,
some feedback
blowing a
there,
scene.
Jet?
Yeah, we got to get you some thumbs so that you can help out a little bit more. But thanks for burping in my face.
Right there.
Yeah,
It
really.
smells
Thank
too.
you. Wow. So what's next? Where are we going next? What's the next project?
Brakes, brake lines, and then we'll set a date for the Hemi.
So
We need to have a Hemi install party.
we will.
Yeah. Well, we have
I
the
agree.
Hemi receptacle installed in your '69 Cuda.
Yeah.
It's there. The Hemi receptacle. It's gonna
Yeah.
just take that
The Hemi
big
jewelry
elephant
box.
receptacle.
Yeah.
The
So-
jewelry box.
It'll come soon. That'll be
Yeah. Yeah.
maybe part 4. But this is part 2. So brakes and lines and the little tie-up things to get the suspension done. And
And a dog
yeah,
named Jet.
And detail work on my end.
yeah, a little paint work. Yeah,
We'll
touch up.
make it shiny and polished. Nice.
Yeah.
Easy.
What do you got to say, Jet?
Dog.
I don't know. He's
He
needy.
stood by us.
You're so needy.
Snap rings installed without snap ring pliers.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
It can be done.
Hopefully we don't have to do that
Have
anymore.
confidence.
2 of the most patient guys I've ever
Holy
met.
cow.
Slow is fast.
And we walked away without any blood blisters. So that's
True.
a good thing.
Just
So.
so we have a memory of anti-seize on our hands forever.
I know, Leah. That's
Never
yeah.
leave. Yep.
Yeah, I feel like the
That's
Tin
good.
Man.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
And no animals were
Play?
harmed during the film.
No.
A lot of cussing. A lot of one-liners from Doug.
So you're going to have to do a lot of editing.
a lot of bleeping.
You got to expect a few losses in a big operation every time.
Yeah, so-
Doug made it colorful. For certain.
I know. Beautiful. So, okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned
Peace.
for part 3.
Appreciate it.
Catch you soon.
Raise the charm.
That's right.